Ever feel like you're the main character in a show called So Close Yet Again? Like every time you get within arm's reach of what you want, poof, it's rerun city. Yeah, I've been there. Overqualified for almost. Tired of starring in the same old plot twist where you get everything except everything you want? I'll make you a deal. By the end of this, you'll either hit subscribe or you'll hit replay just to make sure I wasn't bluffing. Oh, by the way, hey, I'm Jessica from I Gold It. I know you weren't expecting to get called out in the first 10 seconds, but that's just how I do things here. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's your chance. Hit that subscribe, slap the bell, and absolutely annihilate that like button, because trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Look, I know you've seen 100 self-help pep talks, all promising the magic bullet. Trust me, I can't stand that vibe either. That's why we're doing this my way. No cringe, no sugarcoating, and no culty weirdness. Pinky swear. If you're watching this, chances are you're just like me. You want something to actually shift, right? Something to snap you out of autopilot and drop you into the kind of life you know is possible, even if you barely admit it out loud. Well, buckle up, because that stuck feeling, it's about to meet its match. And if you've ever wanted to stop living on the edge of breakthrough and finally step in, you're in the right place. Let's be real. Most of us aren't lazy. We're not lost causes, and we sure as hell aren't broken. But somehow we keep running into the same invisible wall. We try all the hacks, read all the books, fill out a notebook or two, but our next level just keeps moving out of reach. Why? Because the story we're living isn't even ours. Not really. I was that person with 3 journals and a graveyard of unfinished planners. Turns out it's not about another notebook. It's about the right system. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You're not stuck because you lack willpower. You're stuck because you've been following a script that wasn't written by you. Family expectations, old fears, outdated rules, that voice in your head that says you always blow it right at the finish line. Yeah, screw that voice. That's exactly why we created the 28-day journal. Not to inspire you for a day, but to rewire your brain every day. It's not a notebook. It's a 28-day guide. Pick your goal, change your beliefs, rewrite your life for good. Imagine a few months from now telling your friends, "No, I'm not in a cult. I just finally figured out how to get what I want." Wild thought, right? So, what if this time you rewrote the story? Not someday, not when life calms down, but now, starting today. Just imagine waking up and actually feeling like the main character in the life you chose, not the rerun. That's what's possible when you stop sabotaging and start goaling it for real. You're not stuck. You're just outgrowing your old programming, and you're about to make your next leap. If you're ready to step off the sidelines and into the story you were meant to write, check out the 28-day journal. Let's stop almosting and start actually getting what you want. When they ask how you did it, tell them, "I gold it." And if they give you side-eye, just send them here. All right, that's it for today. If you subscribed, congrats, you've made the 3rd smartest decision of your day. 1, watching till the end. 2, obviously checking out the journal. 3, subscribing. If you didn't, hey, no judgment. But if your next big breakthrough is almost again, you know where to find me. See you in the next one. Maybe.
Almost winning, almost there. On the edge, breathing recycled air. Seen this rerun 1,000 times. Playing someone else's lines. Willpower's cute, but it's not enough. I need more than notebook love. Turn the page, break the script. Time to take my final trip.
No more almost, no more reruns. This time I go all in.
No more almost at the finish line. No more someday wasting my pride. I'm not just hoping, I'm living it. When they ask how I did it, I gold it, I gold it. Grew up a should, supposed to be. Dreams buried under old beliefs. 3 half-filled journals all left behind. Today's the day I draw my line. Whose voice is that in my head? Time to mute the things they said. I'm the writer, scene by scene. No more waiting to be seen.
You know what? I'm not just changing my story. I'm owning it. Out loud.
No more almost at the finish line. No more someday wasting my prime. I'm not just hoping, I'm living it. When they ask how I did it, I gold it. I gold it. I gold it. They'll stare and say it's magic, but I rewrote all the tragic. No cult, no secret, just rewired fate. Gold it, owned it, watch me create. It's not just a notebook, it's my jailbreak key. Changing my story, finally free. Main character glow, plot twist unlocked. I gold it, I showed it, now watch me rock. When they ask how you did it, tell them I gold it.